Hi, my name is Emeke Zanyago. You are welcome to this special presentation on the fastest, cheapest and easiest way to relocate to Europe for a fully paid master's scholarship program with monthly allowances of 1,000 euros paid to you for up to 24 months. This European scholarship program offers you zero transportation costs, which fully covers your flight ticket, meaning that you are not spending a dime on your flight. There is no proof of fund or bank statement required in this program. You will have opportunity to move with your partner or your family. Any course you want to study, you have the choice to make. The program also pays you monthly allowance in euros, which covers for your expenses and most of the miscellaneous costs. They also pay you installation allowance, a one-time installation allowance paid to you the moment you arrive the country of your choice. The program also pays you transport allowance for your mobility, because the program is a mobility program which will take you across 2 to 4 different countries in Europe. It also partly covers your visa fees, meaning that in situations whereby others are paying maybe 100% of a fee for a visa, if you are a scholar of this program and you walk into any European embassy, they are going to give you a special discount and give you express processing of your visa. Then you will also receive a step-by-step application guide, which will be like an over-the-shoulder application guide where I will guide you from the beginning of this application process till when you have finally got it and bid you goodbye. In fact, with this, you have no reason not to travel. I prepared a powerful step-by-step European scholarship blueprint to guide you on how to successfully relocate to Europe through this program, even if you have little or no funds. So in this program, fund will not be your limitation. All you need is the willpower and the tenacity to put your paperwork together here in your country and pick your luggage and move. Everything else will be fully paid for you by the European Commission, who are the sponsors of the program. From your flight tickets to your accommodation and from your tuition to your mobility will be fully paid for you by the European Commission. So you have to be hopeful. Even if you don't have funds, the solution you seek is here. But I have a few questions for you. Have you been rejected due to lack of proof of funds? Have you tried getting a job in Europe but were rejected due to incomplete documentation? Have you repeatedly applied for scholarship programs around the world with no success? Do you have intention of furthering your education in Europe but don't know how to start? Is your education qualification and score not enough to get you your desired course or study abroad? Do you have your first degree or HND or its equivalent and desire to do your masters in any European universities? Have you tried different visa routes to travel without success? This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. If you or someone you know answers yes to any of these questions, then I must congratulate you for coming this far, because within the next 5 minutes, I will show you a permanent solution that will enable you to finally relocate to that European country of your dream. Once again, congratulations. I assure you that this is the best, the easiest and the cheapest travel opportunity you have come across. Who am I and why should you listen to me? Like I said in the beginning, my name is Emeke Zanyago. I'm not your regular travel consultant, but I can confidently show you exactly how to get a fully paid European master's degree scholarship without spending a dime on flight tickets, and your visa will be given top priority by any European embassy you walk into. This is because I have done it over and over and use it to help many others like you. Within the last 2 years since I discovered this untapped travel route, I have helped clients, relatives and family members who couldn't even afford flight tickets to successfully relocate through this program. And I want to hold your hand, guide you and give you all the necessary help you will need till you successfully get this scholarship. Like I said earlier, this program is a mobility program, as it will take you to between 2 to 4 top universities in different European countries before you graduate. Now what I mean here is that this is a program that, for example, you may do your first semester in a university in Germany, and the second semester you are going to Switzerland. Then by next semester you are going to Finland, and the other one you are going to Spain. And with all these movements you are making, you are receiving adequate compensation for your movement, accommodation, and all miscellaneous expenses. So when I say that the program is a fully paid scholarship program, I mean that it is fully paid. Here I listed some of the partner countries that collaborated together to offer this program. From Germany to Belgium, Austria, Denmark, Estonia, Switzerland, Netherlands, Poland, Norway, Slovenia, Spain, Sweden, and a lot of other European countries that you are not listed here due to want of space. For example, if you are offered a course to study Masters in Tribology of Surfaces and Interfaces, which is just one among over 120 different courses you are going to choose from in this program, then in your first semester you will study at the University of Ljubljana in Slovenia. After that, you will proceed to University of Leeds in your second semester, which is in UK. Then by third semester, you will be in Luleå University of Technology, Sweden. And your final semester, you will be in University of Coimbra. And this program also offers you freedom to choose where you are going to do your project from, which means you can even choose to do your project outside Europe, and the program sponsors will fully cover all your expenses till you graduate. Some of the monthly benefits and advantages of this program include: 1. You get a free tuition and insurance worth over 18,000 euros per year. Secondly, you get paid 1,000 euros per month for 24 months non-stop. Also, you get paid 3,000 euros per year travel allowance, depending on the location you come from. Furthermore, you will receive 1,000 euros one-time installation cost the moment you arrive the country of your choice. Also, you get subsistence costs for your accommodation, housing, and feeding. You also get paid mobility allowance on every transfer to another university at the end of the semester. Now you may ask, what does this blueprint contain and why should you buy it? In this guide, I explicitly explain how the program works, how to get it. I included useful links that will show you samples of all required documents, and link to our online community where you meet other scholars who have successfully migrated through this program, and they are ever ready to assist new applicants. So, like I said, you don't have any reason not to travel through this program. You get both the guide, and you also get after-sale assistance to process all your documentation so you successfully relocate. And this you also get from some of the scholars who have migrated through this program. Also, this blueprint contains a step-by-step process on how to apply for the program, contains all the payments and the allowances you'll be getting, well detailed and well explained. It contains the outstanding benefits of the program, the operational process of the program, the rule of the program, the access to our online help community, how someone with a third class or a HND can apply and get the program, how to apply if you are still an undergraduate. Also, it contains what to do to show up your grade and experience. I gave the timeline for the program applications, when it starts and when it closes each year. I explained all the 7 documents needed for the application and how to get them, the steps to take when you meet the requirements. I also explained what you can do after 24 months when you must have finished this program and get satisfied, and how to blend into any European countries of your desire. I will also show you what to do if you want to move with a partner. Then I gave the summary of the program, important link to bonus resources which you need, and my direct contact for easier communication between us. This picture was taken by some of the intake from Nigeria last year before their final departure for the program. So if you look through the pictures and you are able to recognize one or two of these scholars here, you have the freedom to contact them, and they will assure you that everything you have heard about this program is absolutely true. You pay nothing. As you see them, none of them pay a dime for their flight ticket. Until today, they are getting paid. So far they are still in the program, they are getting paid every other month for all their accommodation, travel, mobility, and what have you. Going further, here are some of the scholars from Nigeria who have benefited from this program in the last 2 years. Now these screenshots were taken from our page, which you will have access to the moment you order for this blueprint. So you are going to get full access to all this. This lady's name is Blessing Israel, and she shared her story on how she got a free ride from Calabar to Europe. Now, she's just miming how she got a program and she didn't pay for flight tickets from her Calabar location to Europe. How I won the scholarship success stories, and how I won a fully funded scholarship to study in Europe. So when I say that this is a fully funded scholarship, it simply means that it is fully funded. You are not spending a dime. The only money you spend is to put your paperwork together here in Nigeria, like get your passport, your CV, your motivation letter, and the other documents that you need here. These are the only place you're going to spend to get your papers together. Now here is another testimony. Interesting development. This post was made on the 12th of April, as you can see here, this year. So an HND plus OND holder got awarded the scholarship. Previously, what we have had is people that did OND and HND, they do combine it with other qualifications to get the program, but this person was the first person that got the program with just an ND and HND. So presently he is among the scholars who are over there in Europe, just as you can see him in the picture below. Then going further, you also see here we have the 89th awardee, we have the 91st awardee, we have the 53rd awardee. Now talking about this awardee, last year we have 88 people, which means we have 88 awardees from Nigeria who relocated through this program for the whole of last year, 2020. But this year, 2021, as I'm talking to you, we are still in May. As I'm talking to you, we are still in the month of May, which is the 5th month of this year. But we have already had 99 scholars from Nigeria who have successfully got this. So meaning that before the year end, that number can triple. And these are effects of this number is increasing because more people are now having access to this guide and this blueprint I'm going to hand you, which will help you to tap into this and be among this pool of people that are going to migrate through this program this year and also in the coming years. You can see the 89th awardee. This post was made on the 5th of May this year. This is on the 91st awardee on the 6th of May this year. And this is the 53rd awardee on the 10th of April. So as you can see, almost every other day we have testimonies. Almost every other day we have testimonies of people who are successful with this program. This person was awarded to study international humanitarian action, and he graduated with a sociology and anthropology from University of Nigeria and Nsukka. This person was awarded to study marine environment resources. She's a female, and she graduated from Federal University of Agriculture at Abeokuta. She studied aquaculture and fisheries management. This person was also awarded to study international masters in children literature, media and culture. He's a male. He graduated from Abia State University Utu, and he studied English language and literature. Going further, you can also see this post was made on the 5th of May this year. He said that just like in 2018 and 2020, an applicant had just been selected across 3 different programs this year. Congratulations to her. What does this mean? Now, I didn't tell you, this program have more than 120 courses that you are free to apply for, and you are not restricted to apply for only one. You have the freedom to apply for as much as you can, and most of the programs don't charge you for application fees, meaning that you can put in free application to more than 5 or 10 different universities in this program, and the more you put in, the more your chances of getting it, just like this lady did. Now this lady used this strategy, and she was awarded this scholarship by 3 different top European universities, and she have to now make her choice to take the one that she have to study, because she won't be in 3 different universities at the same time. Also, this post was made by the 5th of May. Also by 6th of April, say as at today, within the community, we have now had 3 persons who got selected in 2 different programs. Now this other person here was selected in 3 different programs. 1 person. Why here we have 2 persons, we have 3 persons that were selected in 2 different programs. So this is a proof to you that you can apply for as much as you want. There is no application cost apart from just few of them, which is not up to 5% of the programs. So the remaining more than 95%, you have 0 application fee to pay. So you have the freedom to apply to as many as possible. Now this guide, now going further, this guide is so detailed that by the time you are done going through it, you will realize that you don't need to pay any agents or any consultants to process it for you. Normally, these agents and consultants charge between $1,000 to $4,000 to do this for you. But I assure you that with my blueprint, you don't need any agents to process this for you. I listed everything that you have to do and every action that you have to take, which I know are very easy steps that you can take until you finally got awarded this scholarship. If I peg the price of this blueprint at $500, which is about 250,000 naira, and which is about half of the least any consultant will charge you, it will be a fair price. But I won't do that for a reason. As at May 2021, which is just 5 months into the year, like I said earlier, we already have 99 scholars who have successfully relocated to Europe through this program, against the 88 we have in the whole of 2020, and my target is for that number to triple. That's why I decided to make this blueprint very affordable to you, so that you won't have any excuse not to travel. There is a kind of joy I always get whenever I see some of the people that I have helped through this program and they point to me and tell their friends that this man helped me to relocate to Europe. That joy alone worth more than any amount you are going to pay me. Now, only the accompanying bonus that comes with this blueprint is worth more than $100, which is $50,000. And the lifetime consultation and guide, like I told you that in the guide, in the last page, you are going to get all my contact details and you're going to have free access to me, as I'm going to store the number of each and everyone that got this blueprint. So the lifetime consultation and guide you get from me is worth more than $300, which as of today, using the exchange rate of 500, is $150,000. But I'm not going to charge you any of this. Like I said earlier, I feel accomplished whenever I see people I have helped to relocate point at me and tell their friends that I am instrumental to their success. For this singular reason, I decided to make this blueprint available to you at a giveaway price of $50, which is 25,000 naira. Now stay with me. But for the next 7 days, from now that you are seeing this video, I will give an early bird discount of 50% on the price to reward those who will take immediate action to get these blueprints. This means that if you are still with me till now, if you are still patient enough to watch this video to this extent, you will get everything included, including the accompanying bonuses and after sale guide from me at the cost of $25, which is 12,500 naira only. This is a once in a lifetime opportunity, which if I am you, I'm going to grab it with both hands, because within the next few days, this price you are seeing over here is going to revert to the original price, which is 25,000 naira. Now, this is your opportunity to join thousands of other scholars around the world to enjoy this once in a lifetime opportunity. Click the button below that says Get the Blueprint, and it will take you to a page where you can securely make your payments and receive this blueprint instantly in your email or WhatsApp, so that you can kickstart the process immediately. I provided my WhatsApp link below and also at the other page, so that you can have easy access to me maybe before and after purchase for any question and further guidance. This blueprint is presently on a 50% discount, like I stated, and within the next 7 days, I assure you that the price will increase or I take this video down. I do this intently because I want to follow up on everybody that got these blueprints and monitor their progress. Hence, I wouldn't want my hand to be too full. I only need a manageable number of scholars. Hence, if you are seeing this video, you must congratulate yourself. Consider yourself privileged if you take action to order. Now, you are extra lucky. From me, best wishes and see you in Europe. Take action now. Join other scholars who have successfully migrated through this program. Click the button below to get it now. Click the blue button below. See you in Europe. Thank you.